Reverend Smitten, those of you on the platform, distinguished Your Excellency, I have the distinguishing feature of having been your Prime Minister. And I wish to tell everyone that you served me and you served this country with distinction. And you were an excellent minister, and you made sure that when you came to cabinet, you brought with you your wisdom and your desire to ensure that Antigua and Barbuda and the government moved forward in a manner that would respect everyone in the society. And I know you will continue like that in your present new position. You will reach across the divide. You will make sure that when you have to make decisions, that you will make them in the interest of all of the people of Antigua and Barbuda. I also have the distinguishing situation of having known your father very well. And also, when I was a kid, we used to come out to sweets. And so my relationship with you goes back a long way. And so I want to say to you that your being the Governor General, I share that whole element going back to our young days, which you will recall. And I would also like to indicate that your mother was a very, very good mentor to all of us, Vere, myself, and all the children of Vere Cornwall Burke. And so I sit here today very, very pleased with the fact that you, a son of the soil, is going to be able to demonstrate to one and all that Antiguans have people of caliber and people of distinction who can carry out an excellent job. So let this be a day of praise for all Antiguans. We have had an element of division that has happened in this whole office. And I can sit here and tell you that Dr. Sir Excellency Rawlin Williams, he will heal any wounds that have been divided. I do not wish to continue too long to rob you of your moment. But congratulations, I share every moment with you.